So in order to read in external files, you need to know kind of what type of file you have. And that's going to kind of say, if it's a fixed width, you're going to use that data list. If it's anything else, you're going to use get data. So that's going to be your base command. There's a number of different subcommands that goes with it. You would say what type of file it is. So if it's a text file that uses a delimiter, then you need to specify what that is, what your variables are, what the file path is. For Excel files, whether or not you want to have the names in the first row be considered the variable names, or if it's just strictly data, then there aren't any variable names. If you have multiple sheets in an Excel file, you can read in only one of them. But those are the things that you would do. In order to do this, you can either highlight your code and click this little play button, so run, and it will run the selection. You can come up here to run and do it this way, or notice that if you hit Control and R, it will run it that way, so you don't have to keep coming up here and clicking. I'll go ahead and do this so you can see what I'm doing, and I'll read in this tab delimited file. So you'll run it. It's always a good idea to check, oops, that's the one that I want, to check your output window, which it didn't pop up for me. We can go like this to see it. So no information down here, that's always a good thing. And then here's our data file, and we can see that it read in kind of like I'd anticipated to. It added some extra stuff up here. Again, this is why you look at your data, because then, maybe it's like, what did my original text file look like? And is this something that I should be concerned about? Was there an ID 100 and something didn't read in correctly? Or is this just a case of, I didn't properly specify to skip that first row? But then from here, this is your data view, and then, you can shrink that and kind of go on to write whatever further manipulations or analyses you wanted to do.